I recognize an issue here because I think the front suspension is all too soft. Because if I try to speed and then I turn, sort of get some kind of bump steer. I think my plan now is to try to reinforce change the front suspension coilovers to something more stable. Well, as you saw when I made the test run, it was quite soft in the front. You see also here when I turn, it sort of enforces the turn, and it's get wobbling when I drive it on streets. So my plan is to put these coilovers piggyback instead. These are from Snowmobile and these are much stiffer. So my plan is to put these in place instead. And I have to drill 10mm hole and also make some adjustments to the upper wishbone. So that's my plan to do. Here you can see it's only 8mm bolt, and I think this bracket or something is in the way for the sprocket, for the feather, and also to make a bigger hole here. That's not that much, I hope. Maybe I have to move this bracket for the lower fitting point. I don't know, maybe. Well, I have to cut the old brackets away, and now I'm making new ones with a 10mm hole. And you can see here I have to remove the old one because the feather was a bit wide, so it got hung up on the upper wishbone. So I will drill holes in the upper one now, 10mm, and then I will make this a bit nicer, and then I will check it and see if it works. Well, now the coilovers are in position, and I'm going to tack them, but it looks quite good, I think. Now I'll tack the brackets, and I think the ride height turned out to be almost the same. But I'm gonna put on the wheels, and then I'm gonna make some suspension tests, and looks more like high-tech now with these piggyback coilovers. Really nice. Wow, that was a huge difference. And I also have some, yeah, I think that would be much better. Yeah, I think that was a huge improvement. Now we're gonna weld it and paint it, and then make another test run to see. Well, now change the coilovers and out for the first test run. And it feels so much steadier. Also the regen works. Well, the performance is so much better when I did this upgrade on the suspension. I can show you a bit fast what I've done. I fitted this piggyback suspension from another snowmobile. I had the Summit model of suspension first, but this is from the RS Rave, and these are from this competition kind of snowmobile, so it's much stiffer. And I also have adjustment both on compression and decompression, so I have much more possibilities to make the setup. And I really think this is my so far best electric vehicle, because it's so useful. I've been running it from some days now, and I go to work and I go back to work and I pick up stuff, and it's super. So this is so far the best, most practical vehicle in my build series.